Hi everybody and welcome back to Storytime with Angel, Bonnet and Friends. Before we begin our story, what do we need to do? That's right, we need to get Teddy ready. So go grab your favourite teddy, cuddly toy, blanket, whatever you need, and then come straight back so that we can begin our story. Off you go. Have you got it? You have? Amazing. Now we can begin. Today's story is called Sven the Seasick Viking, and this book was written by Christine Donney. Sven loves being a Viking, and he loves being near the sea. But there is just one little problem. Sven gets seasick. What can this Viking do if he cannot sail a boat? Shall we find out? Let's go, guys. Sven the seasick Viking could not sail a boat. Sven got too sick when he was afloat. If Sven the seasick Viking could not sail the seas, then what could Sven the seasick Viking be? His friend Eric said, "I can help you find something new to keep sailing off your mind. You can try weaving to make baskets for fish." But Sven the seasick Viking was no good at this. Sven tried to sing and shared in a song, but the singers told him, "Your voice is all wrong." Sven tried to grow wheat to feed the town, but being away from the sea made Sven frown. Was there nothing for this Viking to do? Was sailing the seas all that he knew? Eric told Sven, "You don't need to be a Viking at sea. You can be whatever you want to be." Sven the seasick Viking spoke to his clan. They all helped Sven come up with a plan. Sven smiled and put on his coat. "I'll go to the water and make you a boat." Sven the seasick Viking began to saw. He placed wood upon wood until his fingers were raw. The last things to make were the windows and door. Finally, the boat was ready to explore. The townspeople praised in laughter and cheer. They were all so happy their boat maker was here. Sven was a Viking who knew how to make a boat that could cross oceans, rivers and lakes. Although Sven was too sick to travel the sea, he finally found something else he could be. The end. Hi guys, thank you so much for listening to that amazing story. Again, that was Sven the Seasick Viking, and that book was written by Christine Donney. Again, you can find this book on Amazon. Thank you so much for listening, and join me next time for Story Time with Angel, Bonnet and Friends. Bye guys!